Mechatronics engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science. It focuses on the design, development, and integration of intelligent and automated systems by incorporating mechanical components, electronic sensors and actuators, and computer control. Mechatronics engineers work on a wide range of projects, including the design of robotic systems, automated manufacturing processes, control systems for vehicles, and various other electromechanical systems. They apply principles from mechanical engineering to design the physical structure and components of the system, utilize electrical engineering concepts to incorporate sensors, actuators, and power systems, and employ computer science techniques for programming and control. The field of mechatronics engineering involves a combination of hardware and software integration. It requires a strong understanding of mechanics, electronics, and computer programming. Mechatronics engineers often work in teams and collaborate with professionals from different disciplines to develop innovative solutions to complex problems. The applications of mechatronics engineering are vast and can be found in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, healthcare, and consumer electronics. Some examples of mechatronic systems include self-driving cars, industrial robots, automated assembly lines, medical devices, and smart appliances. Overall, mechatronics engineering is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that aims to create intelligent and autonomous systems by integrating mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering principles.